if you remember the first 2 videos I made, then you'll remember, well, these. All of these.
And all of these.
So,
That's not all of them.
today we are going to be opening up the Sun and Moon Crimson Invasion pack. Okay, so give us a second to open these. Okay, guys, so I got Numel. I got Swine Up. I got a Swablu. No, the Swablu's sad. Oh, cool, I got a Shelmet.
I have no idea what that thing is.
It's from the, well, you don't know what it is? It's an awesome Pokemon.
Is it from the 6th region?
No, it's from the 5th one.
Oh.
This is Stuffle, which I didn't know it was a fighting type. Oh wait, it's a fighting type.
Yeah.
Because of course.
It evolves into Beware.
Beware. Very new name. This is a dashing pouch. Which also shines.
Yeah, you basically have to punch it.
This is a mammal swine. It evolves from Pillow-Swine, which you wouldn't think evolved. But Pillow-Swine evolves from, what is it called? Swine-Up. Swine-Up evolves into Pillow-Swine, evolves into Mammal-Swine. And then I have a Grass-type energy card. A Psychic Memory. Is that a Silvally? Silvally GX. Okay, well. I got an Excelgar, which evolves from Shelmet, which I just showed. Kuna. And I got this card. Oh yeah, in another video in the future, not so far from now, I'm going to make a video where I go online and do the Pokemon card trading game. I want to see what it's like. I've never gone there, so.
Me neither.
Okay. And now for my brother. I have Aron.
A Alolan Geodude, which I don't get why it's an electric type.
Because that's the way, maybe once a dude got struck by lightning, but it wasn't very effective, but they actually got some of the, maybe the energy of the lightning just came to them and then they got the powers of electricity.
Maybe. Okay, Weedle, which I don't really like because they're usually weak, like 30, but this one's a 50 power.
Well, it's pretty strong for a Weedle.
Yes. A Skidoo, which is cute.
Welcome to Go-Go.
Which is not that cute. I said that cute. It's cute, but not that cute. And then Starly. It's also cute.
Oh, right, this one.
Magikarp, kind of lame, mostly. Except for when it evolves into Gyarados. Exernice.
Wait, can you see that?
Well, just say it.
Xerneas.
Okay. A Water Energy. A Devoured Field. Why would I even want a Devoured Field? That's just... Why would I even want a Devoured Field? Okay, Pillow-Swine.
What about from Mammal Swine? Which evolves to Mammal Swine.
Oh,
Evolves from Swine Up.
Yes. And then Psychic Memory.
Anyways, that's it for now. Again, this is another time we're going to be saying this, but if you haven't seen part 1 and part 2, then you should totally go back and check those out. Dusk and Dawn main Necrozma. Part 2. Sorry, Dusk and Dawn main Necrozma pack opening Dark part 2. That's the last one I made. So yeah, that's it for now. And get this at a local Target for $9.99. And like, subscribe, and share. Thank you for watching. That is all.